2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some fun stuff. Gimme Lovin by CC Top. Cool. Obviously this is an electric guitar part, but we can still have fun with it on the acoustic, right? Alright, so standard tuning. Bar, D and G string, 3rd fret, and then you add pinky on the 5th fret G string. So you start there and lift it up. So that's like a power chord, F power chord. Hit it again, and then you end on a C power chord. That's 3 and 5, A and D string. Okay, so that's the main verses, and for the chorus, Give Me All Your Lovin', we go to a B flat. That's 1 and 3. And then we go to F. That's 1 and 3, E and A string. And also the intro after the drums come in, the way they start is. So that's the other way around. So 2. Yeah. That only happens there in the beginning. And then we have the breakdown. That's you grab A string, 6th fret, bend that slightly. So pinky on that to this shape, D and G string. 2, 3, 4. Cool. Fun lesson. Cool stuff. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.